You work hard. That's why we make it easy to get top quality replacement parts factory fit for your Cat equipment. Online, on your phone, or at your Cat dealer, you'll find the industry's largest inventory of genuine Cat parts, designed to work as part of a complete system: machine, engine, and fluids. Choose performance parts for any application, no matter how tough. General duty parts for light to moderate jobs, or Cat reman parts for like-new performance at a fraction of the cost when returning your used core. Every Cat part is built to last with high-quality materials, stringent specs, and meticulous testing, and backed by a 12-month Caterpillar limited warranty. Also, you can reduce downtime, lower costs, and help get the best return on your equipment investment. Order genuine Cat parts in person or on parts.cat.com. Connect with dealer experts who can answer any questions, and choose from flexible pickup or delivery options. Right parts, right place, right now. It's that easy.